Good a spot as any.
What are you doing? Stop it. Dwight, just
I'm
stop
just-
it. Stop it.
Spin. I'm trying to confuse your sense of direction. Behold.
All right, good. Thank you, Dwight.
Here's your knife.
Thank you.
Here's your duct tape.
Good.
All right.
Very good. Okay.
Yep. Good luck.
Thanks for the ride. Okay. Leave me be, Dwight. Day one. I'm in the interior of the vast Pennsylvania wilderness. I've brought with me only the bare essentials, a knife, a roll of duct tape, in case I need to fashion a shelter or make some sort of water vessel. It's hot today. The sun is in the 2/3 easterly quadrant, which would make it about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Really beating down on me now. I think that I want to get a little more comfortable because the sun is depleting my resources. Okay. Oh, there we go. Watch that I don't hit my corroded artery here.
I lied to Michael. I said that I would leave him alone, but I will not. I will remain close by to provide unseen support, but I will never help him. I will let harm befall him. I will leave him, let him die. But I will never let him lose his dignity.
There we go. Much better. Now everything I brought with me can be used. My sport coat here can be fashioned into a backpack of sorts. I'm going to wear what was once one of my pant legs. I can literally say anything I want. No one is going to hear me. Wish I could have gone with Ryan on that cool retreat! Canada's plastic boobs! I have hemorrhoids! Doesn't even matter.
Michael's a man of great depth and passion. I don't know what he's searching for out here. I hope he finds it. Much.
Well, it is a little chillier than I had thought, so I have fashioned my hat back into my pants. Several hours in, it's time for me to find some nourishment. Now, these woods are full of creatures that can sustain human life. Things like squirrels, nice juicy rabbit would be delicious. I made this spear. Well, if you take a look at this, I tented my pants. I've made myself a nice pants tent shelter. And this little guy may be Dunder Mifflin paper someday.
Nothing to worry about, just using the scope. Safety is on.
Under this tree, I think I struck the mother lode. Those are nature's best mushrooms. Wild, and I have to say, these little buggers are damn tasty as well.
Get him up!
No more s'mores.